Yes, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So we were discussing about practice. Please, guys, I am requesting to everyone that try hard to do practice and try to participate in Hina's session. Nida is doing the sessions twice a week probably, and try to participate in it because it would help you a lot to get the strong grip on understanding and familiarity towards the language of Arabic, especially towards the vocabulary. If we would have a lot of words in our head, we can easily make sentences because already you know that we are working on listening and speaking and reading the dialogues here in Baina Yadaik book. So I would appreciate and I would suggest you guys that try hard to do a lot of practice. Let me share my screen so we can move on in the dialogues. We have done all three dialogues in this lesson. And yesterday we have done some of the exercises regarding that. So let's move on. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. At-tadribul khamis. This is fifth exercise. Iqra al-fiqra summa ajib anil asala. I guess ये हमने पढ़ लिया था. We have read it and we also have discussed about the questions, right? Yesterday. So next exercise is at-tadribul sadis means sixth exercise. Who will read it?
If no one there, then I can read.
Yes, Hashir. Ashar, who is this? Do you want to give a try?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Wajbuhu
Little louder.
Ya'kulu Qasim.
Can you please yeah,
Yes.
little louder?
Wajbuhu Ya'kulu Qasim.
No. You have to read the dialogue. Paragraph first. Read the paragraph.
قاسم يأكل 3 وجبات في اليوم.
الفطور
الفطور
والغداء
والغداء
والعشاء.
والعشاء. سالم يأكل وجبة واحدة في يوم غدا.
في
قاسم
اليوم الغداء.
في اليوم الغداء. قاسم يأكل في غدا اللحم والدجاج والسمك
والرز
والخبز خبز mean bread.
وسال.
Yes,
Yeah, carry on.
that mean khubz means bread.
Okay, read it completely, then you can tell me the translation, okay?
Okay. وسالم يأكل في الغداء السمك
والسلطة
والفاكهة. قاسم نشرب ماء. قاسم يشرب الماء وسالم يشرب شاي.
Perfect. So, Qasim yakulu salasa wajabatin fil yawm. What does it mean? Qasim eats salasa.
3 times.
Yeah.
3 times.
No, 3 times. Not 3 times. Salasa 3 and wajabat is meal. Meals. Wajba is meal and wajabatin is meals. It's plural of wajba. Okay, so Qasim eats 3 meals in a day. Fil yawm. Al-fatur wal-ghada wal-asha means breakfast, the breakfast and the lunch and the dinner. Salimun yakulu wajbatan wahidatan. Salim eats 1 meal in a day. Al-ghada. Qasimun yakulu fil ghada. Qasim eats in the lunch. Allaham meat, waddajat and chicken, wassamak and fish,
Fish,
wal aruzza and the rice, wal khub
rice, and
yes,
khubz means bread.
and bread.
And Salim eat uh, in in
In the
meal
lunch,
in the lunch some fish
as-samaka was-salata wal fakiha, the fish and the salad
and
and
salad
the
and
fruit.
fakia mean fruits.
Qasimun
Qasim
yashrabul ma,
means
Qasim
Qasim drink water. Wasalim yashribu shai means Salim drink
drinks
tea.
tea. Okay,
Drink
so you guys have to practice in a practice session, and at home you guys have to complete this exercise. We will have to move on because time is running out. I hope you guys are doing these exercises. If there would be any confusion or you are having a any query, you have to DM me or you can discuss in a chat group. So we can discuss all together that what is going on and what is where is the issue. And right now I'm going to start next lesson. Al-Wahdatu Sadisa. What does it mean? Who will tell me? Yes, Nida, Sumaira is here or not? Rabia.
Lesson 6.
Lesson 6.
Less.
Unit 6. Okay. Al-Wahdatu means unit.
Ma'am,
Unit 6.
I write counting to
What, teacher, what's the difference between lesson and unit?
Lesson and unit. There is a difference. Like you guys can see
class.
that in Arabic we have to say lesson dars. Okay.
Acha,
And
okay, okay,
yeah,
okay.
and unit is
Yeah.
al-wahda. Al-wahda is unit. Like in English books
Mm.
and other books, we used to see that unit 1, unit 2.
الوحدة
Okay, so
الأولى.
instead of lesson, we use wahda. Okay,
Okay.
and in the exercises, you used to see that like darsul awwal, darsul sani, darsul wahid, these kind of things.
Mm.
So al-wahda is unit, and if there would
Okay.
be, yes, if there would be darsus sadisa means sixth lesson. Al-wahdatu sadisa means unit 6. All right. I hope you got it, Nida. Okay, chapter name is As-Salat, is the prayer. Al-Hiwarul Awwal, dialogue, first dialogue. Al-Hiwar means dialogue and Al-Awwal means first. Unzur wastami wa'id, look and listen and repeat. Mustafa, aina tusalli salatil khams, where do you pray 5 times? See this word, as-salawat, but we need to read it as-salatil khams. But we have to write it like this. This is the plural because 5 times prayers ki baat ho rahi hai. We are talking about 5 times prayers. So that's why this word comes. Aina tusalli salatil khams. Where do you pray 5 times? Kusai usalli zohar wal asr wal maghrib wal isha fi masjidi Bilal. I offer prayers of Zohar, Asr, and Maghrib and Isha in Masjid Bilal. Mustafa, wa aina tusalli al-fajr, and where do you pray? Where do you pray Fajr prayer? Kusai usalli al-fajra fil bayt. I pray Fajr in the house. Mustafa, limaza tusalli al-fajra fil bayti. Limaza, I know everyone knows limaza means. Who will tell me?
Why?
Why exactly? Limaza, why do you
Ma'am, why?
pray Fajr? Yes. Perfect. Why do you pray Fajr in the house? Kusai la asma'ul azan. I don't listen azan. Mustafa, hal tastayqizu mutaakhira. Do you wake up late? Qusay, na'am, bada salatil fajr. Yes, after the fajr namaz, fajr salah. Mustafa, istayqiz mubakkiran. I kindly, not kindly, istayqiz means wake up early. Mustafa is saying to Qusay, it is commanding word that we have already discussed in yesterday's lesson. If you remember, guys, see, this is the fi'l mudari, tastayqiz, yastayqiz, tastayqizina. Okay, so here istayqiz. I am saying to you, istayqiz mubakkiran. Wake up early. Qusay, la astati'.
Don't focus on anything else.
What happened?
Or not?
لا أستطيع أعمل في الليل. I can't. I work in the night. لا أستطيع means I can't. All right? I cannot. أعمل, I work in the في الليل, in the night. أعمل في الليل. Mustafa. دع المنبه بجانبك. دع المنبه بجانبك means put the alarm for you. Bijanibik, for you. Put the alarm for you. Qusay, hazihi fikratun tayyibatun. This is a good idea. Hazihi fikratun tayyibatun. This is a good idea. Jazakallah khair. Jazakallahu khairan means, who will tell me the meaning of Jazakallahu khairan?
Blessings over.
Allah
Jazakallah
Sadi.
khairan means thank you. Jazakallah means in English, may Allah
Allah
bless
Sadi.
you with the khair and good.
The God bless you.
Perfect. Jazakallahu khairan. Allah will be happy with you, or Allah bless you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So here we can see I'm going to towards the grammar in coming lessons, inshallah. So we can easily discriminate in between the things that how can we make sentences. But these lessons are very much important to learn the vocabulary. We need to gather a lot of vocabulary in our head. When the words will be crowded in our head, we will automatically make sentences, and very easily, because we would know about the vocabulary words. So the pattern of making sentence is already we worked on. Using those vocabulary words which we are learning in these dialogues would help you a lot. So I hope this dialogue all of you got understood. Is there anything difficult for you? So kindly let me know. Everything we have already discussed previous lessons. Just some of the words are different, like la asma'ul azan. I don't hear the azan. Now Mustafa is saying, asking hal tastayqizu mutaakhiran. Do you wake up late? He's saying, Kusai is replying, Naam bada salatil fajr. Mustafa is commanding him, wake up early, like yesterday we have discussed. So this is the Fele Amar, istayqiz. All right, istayqiz. If I would say don't wake up late, don't wake up late, how would we say? Who will tell me? Don't wake up late. Yes. Where are rest of other students?
La
The-
Perfect. La tastayqizu mutaakhiran. Good job. Right? I told you when we make sentences, especially commanding sentence with the negative word like don't do this, don't do that. So we use fe'l mudare and only add la before that. La tastayqizu mutaakhiran. Don't wake up late. Okay? La astati', I can't. Amalu fil layl, I work in the night. Dail munabbaha bijanibik, this is new word, means put the alarm for you. Hazihi fikratun tayyibatun, means this is a great idea or this is a good idea. I hope you got it, all of you. Who will read the mufradat? Nida or Zainab?
जैनब आप पढ़ रही हैं तो वरना
ज़ोहर,
मैं पढ़ लेती हूँ.
الظهر العصر المغرب العشاء غداء يسمع يعمل يعمل يستطيع الليل بجانبك منبه.
Perfect.
ظهر is ظهر, asar maghrib, isha, غداء to wash,
Yes.
يسمع listen, يعمل to do something. If I'm wrong, you can correct me.
He works. Yamal, he works.
Yamal, okay. He works. Yastati, he can't.
Yastati, he
Al-Layl,
can't.
he can't. Al-Layl, night. Uh,
Al-layl,
Bijanibik,
night. Bijanibik, near you.
near you. Okay.
Near you.
Munabba is
Okay?
alarm.
Yes. Near you. Dari, wadaga means putting something. Okay? So, wada,
Okay.
like here, the sentence is Dari al-munabbaha bijanibik. Munabbaha is alarm. Dari means put. And bijanibik is near you. Near you. Here, they have separately mentioned about these words. So, we can easily discriminate. Munabbah is alarm. Bijanibik is near you. And wadaga, putting something. All right. And what about yastati'? He can't. All right. La tastati'. You can't. La tastati'. Yes.
ला से तो समझ आती है कि ला का है कि वो नहीं का है इसमें, लेकिन इसमें नहीं कहाँ छुपा हुआ है इस स्थिति में?
You can't. La means we can use la when we use the don't words. Okay. Like for instance, I told you that don't wake up. Don't wake up late. So I would say la tastayqizu mutakhiran. I use fe'le mudare. I didn't use the commanding word. Commanding word is istayqiz. Wake up early. Istayqiz mubakkiran. But when we use the negative sentences, when we have to make negative sentences, so we have to put la. Like for instance, in the future, in the next lessons, we will discuss about how can we make negative sentences in past or future. How can we use them? So there are instead of la, there are ma and man. Ma and one or two other words which we will use for the present and future. We will show that we are don't go, he will not do this, and I didn't do this. So for that purpose, we use instead of la something else. Here, la is mentioning for no. Definitely, if we use la separately, like for instance, hal tastayqizu mubakkiran, I am asking, do you wake up early? I am saying la, no. Or I am saying na'am, yes. So if separately I am saying yes or no, so for that purpose I use la or na'am, no or yes. But if we are gonna make negative sentence like don't do this or don't don't drink it, or something like that. So I only put la before fele mudare. I will not make commanding word like fele amar. Fele amar is ishrab. Ishrab means drink it. Ishrab alma, drink the water. I am saying don't drink the water. La tashrabu alma, don't drink the water. So did you see the difference? We are not supposed to think that where is the no and yes. Separately, the word will added with the fe'l mudare, and then it will become a negative sentence like la tastati. No, you can't. Right? In English, I am translating it. In Urdu, I can say तुम ये नहीं कर सकते, मैं ये नहीं कर सकता. ओके, तो उर्दू में ना नहीं का लफ्ज एक बार आ रहा है. इन इंग्लिश हम 2 बार यूज कर रहे हैं, या हम इस तरह भी कह सकते हैं यू कांट. आई होप है ना यू गॉट इट, बिकॉज the Arabic language is a bit different from English. So we are not supposed to if we will do the translation word by word in an Arabic sentence, so it would not go like in the correction way. So we need to understand the pattern of the Arabic sentences, and we need to discriminate in between the English, Urdu and Arabic language sentences pattern. Okay, Hina? I hope you got clear.
So teacher, what my now question is, if we will say la yastati', so it will be correct or not?
Yes, la yastati'.
It will
Perfect.
be correct.
Yes.
So it means he cannot.
Yes.
It also means he cannot.
Yes.
Fine.
If
Okay.
there would be tastate, so it means you cannot. La tastate, you cannot.
Okay.
Likewise,
Okay.
dari here in the dialogue they have
Or for
mentioned
female,
dari.
it
What?
will be la yastati'in. It is correct.
La yastati'.
For female, yani for you female, it will be la yastati'in.
Tastati'ina.
La yastati'ina. Okay.
La tastati'ina.
La yastati'ina.
Tastati'ina. No ya. Ta. Dari means put alarm near you. Bijanibik. So here they have mentioned the vocabulary, not da'i. They have mentioned wada'a. Like in English, when we use eat, drink, drank, drunk, or left, or steal, or like particularly, I'm telling you that wada'a means putting something. So here they are saying da'il munabbahu bijanibik. Da'i, he is giving you command. Put alarm near you. This is the commanding in Fele Amar. Okay? All right. So let's move on. Ajib anil as'ila bikhtisar. Yes?
Teacher,
Yes.
hello. Teacher,
Let me check.
sorry, I interrupt you.
No, it's okay. You can ask.
I can go. I can go. I have to meeting for school for my kids. Can I go?
Yeah, sure. Are you doing the practice?
Oh, yes, little bit, but
Okay, that's
uh,
fine. Try hard. Try hard. It is very important.
Inshallah.
If you have joined the Arabic class, so you have to take out some of the time, at least half an hour regularly. You can take out easily at home for the practice. Okay?
जी मैं ट्राई करती हूँ बिल्कुल. अर्ली मॉर्निंग जब मेरे बच्चे चले जाते हैं स्कूल तो मैं ट्राई करती हूँ, बट मैं जैसे चाह रही हूँ ना, मतलब अब जबान से बोलना भी आना चाहिए, वो वर्ड्स, वो मीनिंग, और वो जो आप जो बीच बीच में जो आप इसकी अरबिक की जो वो बता रही होती हैं ग्रामर, वो कुछ थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन में है.
Okay. You can discuss it in chat group, or tomorrow you in the class you can tell me the questions, your queries. I will try my level best to clear you. Okay?
Okay, inshallah. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Yes, so Al-Hiwaru Sani, second dialogue. Let's check. Isam, Assalamu alaikum. Saleh, wa alaikum assalam. Isam, Ana musafirun ila Makkah. Ila aina anta musafirun. Isam is asking, I am the traveler to, Ana musafirun ila Makkah. I am the traveler to Makkah. To where you are traveling. Okay? Saleh, Ana musafirun ilal Madina. I am the traveler to Medina. Limaza anta musafirun ila Makkah. Why you are traveling to Makkah? Isam, lis salati fil masjidil haram. For, li means for. Here we are saying lis salah. So li is harf jar. Okay? So here we are saying lis salah for namaz, for salat, for prayer, fil masjidil haram, in the masjidil haram. Saleh, lis salat fil masjidil nabawi. For prayer in the masjidil nabawi. Aina satusallil jumu'ah. Where would you pray of Friday? Where would you pray of Friday? Satusalli. Do you remember, guys? I told you usalli, tusalli is fi'l mudare. When we use it in the very near, very, you can say, coming future, like I'm going to do nearly. So we will add only seen before the fi'l mudare. So it would become satusalli, sayusalli, sausalli. And if we will put saufa, usalli or saufa tusalli, it means this future we are talking about, which will come tomorrow or day after tomorrow or next week. So it would be a far future when we put saufa before the fi'l mudare. But if we only add seen before fi'l mudare, so it means it's a near future. So he's asking Aina satusallil jumu'ah, where would you pray of Friday? Isam fil Masjid al-Haram, in the Masjid al-Haram, inshallah. Who will tell me the meaning of inshallah?
If Allah wills, it will happen.
The will of God,
अगर
the will
अल्लाह
of
चाहे
Allah.
Perfect. So Isam is asking, wa aina satusallil Jumu'ah, and where would you offer prayers of Friday? Saleh, fil Masjid al-Nabawi, in the Masjid al-Nabawi, inshallah. Isam, kaifa satusafiru ila al-Madina? How would you travel to Medina? Saleh, arkabu at-taira. Arkabu means ride. Through the, like arkabu taira, what does it mean? Who will tell me?
I
तायरा
think so by air. By Taira is aeroplane.
Aeroplane. But arkabu,
By aeroplane, or I'll go in the aeroplane.
I ride aeroplane. But the word arkab means I ride at the Raja. Arkabud the Raja. I ride a cycle. Arkabul Sayyara. I ride a car. I drive a car. So this particular word used for that. Okay. So here he's trying to say I ride an aeroplane. Okay. I hope you guys got understood. Arkab, when we use to write something, arkabus sayyara, arkabud daraja. Daraja means cycle. These kind of things. This is why I'm saying that do practice, try to make your regular daily life sentences related with these words so you can easily know. And if there would be any confusion, you can ask in the group, or you can ask on the very next class. So try to make some sentences on regular basis to use these vocabulary and the pattern you are reading in dialogues. So you can easily come to know that how can you discriminate the words. So in this dialogue, is there anything which is stuck in your head? And
Face?
Here I was saying ana musafirun ila Makkah. It means I am traveling to Makkah. Okay?
I'm traveling to Makkah.
Yes, I am traveling to Makkah.
Ma'am, I do counting 1 to 20.
Good job. And also, I have given the home assignment. I remember that try to do counting till 100 and follow the pattern which I told you, explained you yesterday and previous classes. Kindly do it and share it in group for sure. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will share it. We will discuss about the counting till 100 again. But it is very easy, as I told you yesterday, if you guys remember. Wait a minute, let me show you. In this dialogue, if there would be any question, can you please ask? Yes. Nida, everything is clear. And anyone else? Satusalli, Saufa Usalli. This is
Ma'am?
clear?
मैम
Yes.
मुसाफिर किसे बोलते हैं?
Sorry?
मुसाफिर.
Musafir is a traveler. But when I say ana musafirun ila Makkah, it means I am traveling. Okay? Usually, we use usafiru. Usafiru means I